morning to dear parents, students and all my dear Podarites. I Miss Priyanka
and I, Miss Archana.
We welcome you all to Podar International School, Akola. Today we are here to visit our school. Welcome everyone.
Who is also a very important member of our Podar family. He is a mascot of Podar, and this is Abidu. Abidu is believed to be a sign of good luck for Podar. He brings a happy learning environment for all of us Podarites.
Now we are here on the basketball court. With us today we have respected Nair sir, sports coordinator and Jog sir, our PTI.
हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हेल्थ इज़ वेल्थ। ये मैं इसलिए बता रहा हूँ कि नाउ डेज कोरोना काफ़ी फैल चुका है और हेल्थ इम्पोर्टेंस हम सभी को समझ में आ गए। पहले ज़माने में बोलते थे खेलोगे कूदोगे तो बनोगे खराब और पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो बनोगे नवाब। बट ये जुमला कहाँ तक सही है? अगर हम खेलेंगे कूदेंगे तो तंदुरुस्त रहेंगे और एक तंदुरुस्त बॉडी में ही अच्छा माइंड रहेगा और अच्छा माइंड रहने के बाद ही हम अच्छा पढ़ सकेंगे। तो अभी फिलहाल तो रियली हेल्थ इज़ वेल्थ। हमें हमारी हेल्थ को ही देखना है क्योंकि हमारी इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम और जो भी है रोग प्रतिकार शक्ति बढ़ाने के लिए हमें फिटनेस में रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो पोद्दार इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के पास हमारे पास अपने पास बहुत सारे स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटीज़ हैं। हम बहुत सारे हॉबीज़ भी चलाते हैं। 30 to 35 हॉबीज़ और हॉबी कोचेस हमारे पास है। जैसे कि हम अभी बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट पे खड़े हैं, मैं और मेरे सीनियर जोग सर जो NIS हॉकी प्लेयर है और मैं खुद फुटबॉल खेल चुका हूँ और आपके साथ हमेशा खेलता हूँ। और सही में एक अचूक निर्णय लेने की क्षमता जो स्पोर्ट्समैन में होती है वो किसी में नहीं होती है। एक सिंपल एग्जांपल देता हूँ, क्रिकेट या फुटबॉल कोई भी गेम लीजिए। जब हम क्रिकेट में बैटिंग करते हैं और बॉलर बॉलिंग करता है, उस समय उस बॉल को प्लेट करना है, शॉट लगाना है, विद इन सेकेंड हमें निर्णय लेना पड़ता है। तो सबसे अच्छा स्पोर्ट्स में यही है कि हमारा निर्णय क्षमता बहुत अच्छी तरह से प्रोग्रेसिव होती है और हमारा सोशली फिजिकली हमारा ग्रोथ होता है। तो स्पोर्ट्स इज द बेस्ट।
So whatever Nair sir told us, it is very correct. Try to play every day for half an hour. Do exercises 15 minutes, 30 minutes every day.
This is the main gate of our school. From here we enter into the new world which is full of joy with learning, that is our beloved Podar International School, Akola. Our school bus area. This is the place from where students arrive and depart.
This is our assembly area. In regular school we used to conduct here our assembly. Students used to gather here for our regular assembly and this is our paper block. Admission desk, that is our reception area. Here parents come for their inquiries and for admissions. This is Miss Roshni, our FD. Good afternoon everyone, how are you?
Let's see about our health room. So this is our health room. Here, nurse ma'am.
Hi.
Nurse ma'am is there to treat sick students.
This is our grade 1 lobby and these are the soft rooms. Together we fight COVID. Yes? It is giving a great message that you should use your mask, wash your hands. Social distancing is also very important. Always keep a 2 meter or 6 feet distance between the other person. And this is our symphonics board as we are learning symphonics. Symphonics always deal with sounds. So this is our symphonics board prepared by English teacher and this is our word wall. Grade 1 class, you can come inside now. This is our teacher's table, computer table where teacher mostly present her presentation, desk and bench where students mostly sit here. And these are again our classroom boards where we put students' work, maths king, literary queen, the monitors, month-wise monitors. This is our IT lab. It means computer lab.
This is our computer lab equipped with 28 number of PCs for students to perform different tasks related to computer languages, related to computer modifications and related to internet. We will have a great high-speed internet here to the practice on Khan Academy and other third-party software which we are applying at the Podar International School. We are having one more PCs for the student to present teacher presentation regarding to computers and all the subjects. Then we are having one 3D printer. In this you can able to design an object like this. You can able to design an object like this. It also having an internet app which is called as Tinkercad. With the help of Tinkercad you can able to design an object like this. And we are using here PLA material as a consumable material. The PLA material is made up of corn which is eco-friendly and not hazardous for us. This is all about
Welcome to our school library. This is our school library. Here you will get n numbers of books. You will get the racks where you can see books are kept. So currently our library details you will get here how many numbers of books we have. Subject books, reference books. Total number of books today we have in PS Akola is 7,462. So I hope soon the pandemic situation gets over and we all come back to school so that we can sit here all together in the kitchen and we can read our books.
Now let's visit to our math lab as well as science lab. Here, Miss Rekha Nicola ma'am is there to explain you more about these two labs.
Hello students, here is the maths lab. See, here are the tiles are there, units are there, which are there, abacus is there, which is very helpful for the calculation. Here is a geometry box which makes your concepts very clear. Thank you. Here is the science lab. Here are the test tubes you can see. Here we are bringing the student of grade 6 to 10 for practicals. Here is microscope is also there. On regular basis they do their practicals.
This is our conference room. In conference room, important meetings are held by the team members. This is our staff room. Whenever teachers are free and have their official works, they come and sit and complete their task.
The moment for which most of the students are excited is the break time. This is our canteen area where all the food is come and enjoy their snacks. You can see the slogans related to food. the backbone of the organization. So here, Mr. Chetan Soni sir is the admin officer in PIS Akola. Let's meet with him.
Hello children, hope you are doing well. So, as ma'am told you that admin is the backbone of every educational institution. Now how? So basically each and every school required some material for performing their duties. So it is a duty of admin team to provide all the materials and required to the teachers for performing their job. See, basically the main part of the admin is to maintain hygiene and cleanliness in the school campus. So you know that we have 35 plus staff of housekeeping for maintaining the cleanliness and hygiene in our school. All the didis and tais, they are performing their duty from morning 8 o'clock to 4 o'clock to keep and maintain hygiene in our school. Children, in our school we are separate washrooms for boys and girls. We are having washrooms on every staircase, near to every staircase. We have RO water in our school. On every floor we have RO water. Children, we have in our school we have innovation lab for the students for performing the coding activities. Then we have sensory spa for the Jumbo Kid students. We have transport facility also in our school. In transport we have total 7 buses. In each and every bus we have one driver and 2 didis to take care of the kids during the transportation. So students, stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much. Bye.
Let's meet with our Vice Principal sir, Mr. Rupesh Gadge, and know more about our school. Sir, please.
Hello children, I am very happy to meet you all virtually. School is a place where you learn, play, enjoy and inculcate the moral values. We know that children, you are missing the practical schooling and your dear teachers too. Even we are missing you a lot. We expect that you will follow all the virtual etiquettes and the instructions given by your teachers. Thank you. Happy learning.
Now we are moving to the cabin of principal. This is the cabin of principal. Now let us come. Today we are going to meet the dynamic personality of Podar International School, Miss Neeta Karleja ma'am.
Good morning all my dear lovely children. I hope this small little effort from our side will give you a real school feeling. We all know that you must be missing the school and the building, but let me express that we all are missing you too much. We hope and we pray that schools start as early as possible, but to get you connected with us, this virtual tour is going to bring a lot of goosebumps on your body. So enjoy the day forward. Best of luck.